Good morning. I am Dr. Shakes with your Eswatini Daily News headlines, and these are your leading stories. Prime Minister Russell Mmiso Dlamini has hinted that government may soon consider fresh recruitments and promotions within the Royal Eswatini Police Service as part of efforts to strengthen the force capacity and morale. In other news, what began as an ordinary night at Kakoko Simelane of Timbutini under Mafutseni Inkunja turned into a moment of divine intervention and later a story of restoration and hope. Simelane, whose home was destroyed during the recent civil unrest, has received a brand new house, a gesture that has brought comfort, dignity back to her life. Recalling the chilling moments before the tragedy, she said she owes her survival to a dream that felt like a warning from her late mother.
Make Simelane-ke wavelelwa sigemegeme ngesikhathi kunalomsindvo bamshisela indlu yakhe ngendzaba yokuthi uyindvuna yeLuthango. Uyichazile indzaba yakhe ukuthi bekahleli nje nebatukulu sebatolala balele uthi kwathi lapha nje around 12 ebusuku kwafika makwakhe ephusheni wathi akaphume la endlini masinyane wathi ngithi phuma nangembala-ke baphuma-ke nabantwana wathatha abantwana wathi abaphume baye elondweni yabe isha indlu kwaba kuphela kwayo. So naye-ke besolanconcotha ngoba ede indzawo yokuhlala bese siyakhona-ke ukuthi akhelwe leyo indlu atokhona ukuthi abuyele kanye nebantwana.
In more news, the Eswatini Water Service Corporation's 600 million Emalangeni prepaid water meter project continues to progress steadily across the country. According to the corporation's public relations and communications specialist, Hlobile Chele, the initiative was aimed at enhancing customer experience, billing accuracy, and operational efficiency. In entertainment news, Eswatini star female DJ Gifted Kosi, will headline the highly anticipated Shakedown Saturday event in Uganda. The event is set to be held on the 25th of October. In sports news, Eswatini Football Association President Peter Samora Simelane has said Nsingizini Hotspurs matched Tanzania's Simba SC in the first half, while Royal Leopard has a good chance to reach the group stage. Eswatini's outfit, Royal Leopard, has one hand on the 7 million Emalangeni CAF payout for reaching the group stage. For these and more news, check out our website www.eswatinidailynews.com and also grab yourself a copy on Press Reader for free. Have a good day.